All right. So this is the website I guess I'm arriving at when I'm like looking for Jupyter and I want to play with it.
Yep. So the first thing we're gonna ask you to do is just like look around and read basically the front page worth of descriptions and all that other stuff, and then if you can at the end of 30 seconds or so, tell us concisely what you think Jupyter is/does, or what they're trying to portray they do/are.
All right. Let's see. All right, that makes sense. Sharing, interactive, big data integration. That seems like important. If I'm, my data must be big, right? Jupyter for organization. Cool. All right. Cool. So I think I understand Jupyter's like kind of what it says, like a notebook for me to write some code in that will also connect me with like all of the things that I kind of care about. Like I can share it things. I can use whatever language I want, well, within reason, and integrate with some other tools that I might be using. So like Spark. The sharing is interesting. I want to, like, as soon as I see that, I want to click on Jupyter Notebook Viewer. And the other thing, yeah. And then when I get down to the bottom, I want to learn how all this stuff works. But that just may be because I'm an engineer.
Perfect. Okay, so go ahead and try Jupyter in your browser.
Okay. Oh man, I don't know if I know how to do that from here. There we go. Try it in browser. Okay. No vacancy.
None. Okay. Now find the installation instructions and look at what the steps are.
Okay, cool. All right. I'm at read the docs, which is good. All right. Yeah, I need. All right. So I would be grabbing some Anaconda. Should I do this?
No. Just as long as we know that you now know.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I did that because I'd heard of Anaconda before. I might be a little scared if I hadn't, because I'd be like, well, can I do it with pip? But then I'd see the pip, and so I'd probably go down to there if I hadn't heard of Anaconda before, because I'd be like, oh man, Anaconda, there's this new thing. I don't necessarily want to learn this new thing.
Okay, sweet, thanks. Now go back to the Jupyter main page and find the developer chat room.
Okay, developer chat. I'm not on the main. Oh yes, I am on the main page. Connect. Okay, there's our getter.
Sweet. Okay, now look for examples of other Jupyter notebooks.
Let's see. Is there maybe someone else? Okay, I found something different. I'm not really able to quickly find any examples. Yeah, it's not clear to me, like, from the top level. Maybe there's something I was missing kind of in my scrolling back and forth. Maybe if I went to Jupyter Hub, but no. Okay, ND Viewer got me to where I could see some.
Okay, so now go back to the home page.
Alright.
And now find the Jupyter Notebook Quick Start.
Is this it? Okay. Okay. So down under documentation. Cool.
Okay, now find the names of the people on Jupyter's steering council.
All right. It's got to be under like community. All right. Student council. Maybe there's some about. Okay. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Found them.
Perfect. Now find the page titled About Project Jupyter.
All right. So there.
Oh,
Yes.
sweet.
Just went to the about link. That's good. Which is the same page. Right? Okay.
Okay, so our final question. Oh, second final. Hold on. Find Project Jupyter's Twitter and GitHub profile.
All right. So they're right down at the bottom, as is tradition.
Nice. Okay, so our last question is, how did you feel about the different labels for the different pages? Was there anything that you found to be particularly non-intuitive or something that's not very noticed?
I would have expected some like on the I think having a few more options on some of the drop downs might have been helpful for getting at what I wanted. Like if I go to community, then I go to connect. Like I've got a few options. Like it might just be better to have those as top level options. Like that way I can go straight to the mailing list or straight to GitHub or straight to Gitter, chat room or whatever you want to call that. Straight to Stack Overflow. Or click directly on connect and go to this page, but that might be helpful. I think on the very front page, like there's part of me that wants this above the fold, this ready to get started thing, just because like I want to get started. And yeah, the stuff about organization, that's important. I like having the list of places where it's being used. Like that's like, oh, this is probably something I should use because it's important to people. They are also using this. This is a little like clicking to learn more. I expect a little bit more than just like a paragraph, but that's just. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. Looks nice. Looks modern. Looks pretty clean.
Perfect.
Cool.